Cape Town. It's one of the most beautiful, scenic, photographed cities on earth. So when Vivo sent me this, the V70 co-engineered with Zeiss optics, I thought, let's do this properly. Let's get it out of the box, break open the seals, and really test it. No white walls, no studios, instead the beauty of the mother city. With a 6,500 milliamp hour battery, its crafted design and edges, and its optics by Zeiss, I'm excited to see what comes inside the box and then explore what the V70 brings to market. In terms of the unboxing process, well, you get a neat, clean looking box. V70, co-engineered by Zeiss. It's powered by Origin OS, comes with AI, and has built-in 5G technology. So with this being said, let's cut the seals now and get into the unboxing. With the device out of the box, let's tear open the seal. Revealing the gorgeous design that is the Vivo V70. Over on the back, you get the triple camera arrangement, a 50 megapixel main Zeiss camera with an f-stop of 1.9, an additional 50 megapixel lens here, an 8 megapixel wide for telephoto, as well as LED flash. And over on the front, a very, very impressive forward-facing selfie camera. Works incredibly well. But jumping back into the main camera, you get the ultra-wide photography. Lets in all the details. Crisp, clear shot right away. Then you can zoom up to 10 times optically, letting out no quality at all, getting that beautiful, perfect scene, no matter the position. And you can even zoom up to 100 times, and you can see here how you're getting the perfect shot, further AI enhanced thanks to its incredible Zeiss optics. But the V70 is much more than that. It's a beautiful rounded edges in the hand. It's a 6,500 milliamp hour battery, 90 watt ultra fast charging, which means 0 to 100% in under an hour. And if we look at the internals, well, they're powerful too. We got Origin OS 6 based off Android version 16, 4 are the Android version, 6 years of updates rolled out by Vivo. A 2.8 GHz Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 mobile platform, octa-core, 12 plus 12 gigs of RAM. This has 512 gigs of built-in memory. And overall, what you're getting here is a device with mid-tier price point, but packing much closer to high-end or flagship performance. Vivo V70, you've knocked it out of the park. This is a brilliant, brilliant device.